welcome to class. This is SS1 mathematics class. S1 maths. We are moving on to lesson 12. In this lesson 12, we are going to solve more example on the same topic we are treating, as triangles and polygons. Triangles and polygons. We are going to solve more examples. Example 1. The angles of a quadrilateral. Angles of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral taken in order are x, 5x, 4x, and 2x. Find the angles. Find the angles. The angles of a quadrilateral taken in order are x, 5x, and 4x. Find the angles. Now take note of this. Sum of angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Quadrilateral is more like a cycle. So if I'm to draw a rough shape of what I have here, it might look something like this. The rough sketch of what we have, a quadrilateral has 4 sides. So if I call this angle x, then perhaps this is the 5x, 4x, and 2x. This is just a rough sketch. I did not take any measurements. Sum of angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees because this is more of a cycle. So with this, I can get my answer. This is x plus 5x plus 4x plus 2x equals to 360 degrees. Let's add it up. X plus 5x. X means 1x. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So this is 12x. This is your equal to, and then this is our 360. 12x equals to 360. To get x, we'll divide both sides by 12. Divide both sides by 12. 12 here 1, 12 here 1. X, this x is equal to 12 will go into 360. 12 will go into 360 30 times. 12 here 1, 12 here 30. X equals to 30 degrees. So what will now be the angles? This angle that is x is 30 degrees. This angle that is 5x is 5 times 30 since the value of x is 30. So here are the angles: x 30 degrees, 5x 5 times 30. And 5 times 30 is 150 degrees. What's the other one? 4x. That is 4x. That is 4 times 30. 4 times 30 degrees is 120 degrees. What's the next one? 2x. 2x. That is 2 times 30 degrees. 2 times 30 degrees, 60 degrees. So these are the angles: 30 degrees, 150 degrees, 120 degrees, and 60 degrees. That's the answer. Let's solve one more example. So that I leave you with work. Example 2. Find the interior angles. Find the interior angles of a regular polygon. Which has 6 sides. After this, I will give you assignment, the same question, but the one that has 10 sides and the one that have 20 sides. So just follow along with me and see how I'm going to get the one with 6 sides. Find the interior angles of a regular polygon which has 6 sides. Inside the theorems that we're using, one of the theorem talks about interior angle. The theorem says sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. Please, a regular polygon. A regular polygon, all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Sum of the interior angles is equal to open bracket 2n minus 4 close bracket times 90. That's the formula. Even though they are asking us find the interior angles, that is, they want one of the angle. They want to know each of the angle. But here is the sum total of all the angles. What implies that if we get the sum total of all the angles, if we want to know what each of them is, since they are all equal and there are 6 of them, we will divide the sum that we got, divide by 6. Since there are 6, that is when we know what each of them is. But what we are doing now is we are trying to get the sum total of them all. So let's move on in this finding sum. Sum equals to 2, this is this 2 times n. N is the number of sides. How many sides do we have here? 6. This is our minus 4 close bracket times 90. Sum, we are working in steps. Sum equal to 2 times 6 is 12 minus 4 close bracket 90. Let's continue. Sum equals to 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8 times 90. Sum equals to 8 times 90 is 720. 720 degrees is the sum of all the angles. The 6 angles, the sum of them is 700. So since they are all equal, the sum of the 6 of them is 720. What would each one of them be? Each angle will be equal to The total of them 720 divided by the number of them, how many they are? They are 6. 720 divided by 6. We'll do this division. We're going to get 120 degrees. And that's our answer. Each angle will be 120 degrees. Now the assignment I'm leaving you with is the same question, but just this place that we have 6 sides. This place that we have 6 sides, I want you to use 10 sides. And then where we have that same 6 sides, I want you to use 20 sides. If your answer is correct for the first one, you are going to get 144. And if your answer is correct for the second one, you are going to get 162. So thank you very much. We are going to stop here. I will encourage you to click the subscription button. If you are yet to do that, click the subscription button. Thank you and have a nice day.